This house has been remodeled in every way from top to bottom with a lot of unique features that other houses around here don't have. Hey everybody, it's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Antero Real Estate Services, and today we're in the Carson Blossom Valley neighborhood of 95136, a beautiful, stunningly remodeled single-family home at 432 Kensington Park Court. I'm sitting in this great room right now, which is a dining, living, kitchen combo, and right off of it is a sunroom, which has electricity so it could be used for an office, another family room, or a home gym. Now let me tell you about the features of this house. First of all, beautiful interior with custom cabinets in the kitchen, brand new stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops. We have 9-foot ceilings, again, a unique feature of this house that other properties around here don't have. All of the house is completely redone with high-end laminate flooring. And then of course, there's always these little features about every house that are my personal favorites. In addition to 9-foot ceilings, one of my other personal favorite things about this house is that the staircase that leads up to the second story is actually about double wide with the normal staircase in a house like this is. So when you walk into this house, the elegance of it, the openness of it actually makes it feel like it's a home that was built just a year ago rather than the age of the homes in this neighborhood. Everything's been remodeled. It has a brand new feel to it, as well as being completely repainted and retrimmed throughout the entire property with new molding and new hardware. There's also recessed lighting in every single room. So in addition to the natural light that these double pane windows bring in, we also have overhead lighting as well. With a footprint of 2,124 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, also remodeled, this house is really great for a family. In addition to that, it does have an ADU, which is fully functioning as a rental property right now. Now think about that for a second. You could buy this 2,000 square foot house sitting on a 6,500 square foot lot and bring in over $2,000, maybe even $2,500 a month to pay your property taxes, your homeowner's insurance, and other expenses that every homeowner incurs. And if you like saving money like the ADU presents, we also have fully paid for solar, reduces the cost of home ownership as well. Now when it comes to a house like this, there's of course a lot of things that show in the pictures that are beautiful, but it's also really important to keep track of those upgrades that actually don't shine, like quartz countertops and custom cabinets. We do have a lot of those as well, like a newer roof, solar, central air conditioning, double pane windows, and updated plumbing and electrical. One of the other things I love about this house is that it has great curb appeal and great landscaping front and back. It's all low maintenance with a gold fine front yard that has succulent plants that are easy and low water. And in the back we have artificial grass that makes it virtually free to maintain. It's in a really great court location on Kensington Park here in the heart of Carson. We're near Carson Elementary School, which is a California Distinguished Elementary School right down the street. It's actually walking distance. We're also close to Communications Hill, grand staircase that people use for exercise. Really walking distance to Marshall Cottle Park, which is a 252-acre county-owned park that will never be anything else but public land. In addition to Oak Ridge Mall, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods. Plus, this is an amazing commute location. We're about 4.5 miles from downtown San Jose, where Google plans to build its largest U.S. campus. We're near 85, 87, and 101, all of which take you to the peninsula, where the Silicon Valley has become world known for its great job center. Not to mention, we're also sandwiched directly in between the light rail and the Caltrain, also great commute options for the same reason. If you have any questions about this house or really any other property in the area, I'd love to hear from you. You can either give me a call or send me a text message. And as always, thank you for watching the presentation of this beautiful home here in Carson 95136. We hope to see you at the open houses.